Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set DuckDuckGo as default search engine. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Given the evolving nature of technology, for the most accurate and up-to-date information, consider checking the browser's settings or official documentation. Now, to set DuckDuckGo as your default search engine and Microsoft Edge, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Navigate to the Edge add-ons website and download the DuckDuckGo extension. Step 2. Open the Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 11 computer. Step 3. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Extensions and then click on Manage Extensions. Step 4. Locate the DuckDuckGo extension in the list of installed extensions. And finally, click on the three dots next to the DuckDuckGo extension and choose Make Default to set it as your default search engine. Now, how about on the Google Chrome? So first thing we need to do is open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. Click on the puzzle icon in the top right corner, then select Manage Extensions and proceed to the Chrome Web Store. This action will redirect you to another tab on a Chrome web browser. Step 3. Utilize the search bar to look for DuckDuckGo. Upon finding relevant results, click on the desired entry. Subsequently, click Add to Chrome and confirm by adding the extension. Once completed, click the puzzle icon in the top right corner. Toggle the pin icon. With this action, DuckDuckGo will become the primary search engine, replacing Google whenever you open tabs. Please note that the steps and menu names might vary based on your version of Google Chrome and the operating system. Always refer to the specific settings of your browser for the most accurate instructions. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.